Now that the concrete has been poured, it's time to power trowel it. That's what that guy is doing over there. A power trowel, or sometimes referred to as a power float, will actually allow you to create a very nice smooth surface as you go over the concrete again and again and again. According to what a couple people told me, it takes a real adept hand to be able to do that. The other thing we're doing right now is cleaning up the porch, getting everything just right, as well as getting the sides of the garage all nice and smooth looking, as opposed to being a little more rough. And that's what this guy in the orange shirt is working on. So things are coming along on our project house. Please like and subscribe to our channel.